Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here again from SimmonsEssentials. Let's bring you another original design. The word for the day is Bijou. That's the French word for jewel. Let's go ahead and get started. Again, one tie at the left side, belt line. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's just put in a dimple there. Whatever you want to do is fine. I'm just going to do that one. We're going to come up and over like this. We're going to do a mixture of a couple folds, one from Boris Mocha, one from myself. We're going to come across, we're going to fold it like this. Boris Mocha uses this a lot in his techniques, and then I'm going to come around and do a wreath and bring it down like so, like this. So we have this so far. We're going to come over, we're going to fold it down like this, bring it around like this, do a wreath. And I want to go through this. I'm just going to fold it down like this. Then we're just going to do another wreath. Come through this top one. And come down like that. So what I want to do is I want to pull this out, pull this down, put my collar down, you can have this look like a cut stone, all the different facets of a cut stone here. I have this down here, I have this. Again, to see the picture of this, go to my Instagram, SimmonsEssentials, so you can see the full picture of this and all the other tie knots that either I've tied from someone else or that I've created. So again, own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.